Hello everyone, welcome to the another Stockwatch episode series. And today we are going to discuss one more stock, and the stock name is Giant Agro. So by looking at the sum of the price structure since couple of months, we have seen a good uptrend in this counter. You can see the moving average slope is rising continuously. In between there was a good consolidation, but after that a breakout, again consolidation, again breakout, again some consolidation, and then again breakout. So right now it is retraces back to the important levels. How it is important levels? Let's find out with the multi-time frame analysis. So before jumping to the monthly, let's look at the weekly first. So by looking at the weekly, you may now idea what I'm looking for. It's like a huge cup. I'll show you in detail also. There is a cup into the cup. Let's start with the monthly analysis. So after this is a good retracement, this is a good decline and a very nice bounce is back. Important moving average. Stock is breakout, giving a breakout above the moving average and now retesting the moving average in this month, August month. RSI is above 60, which is a good sign. And in this rally, in this monthly rally, we have seen a good volumes into this counter. That is catching the eye for the short to medium term investors. So structurally, we have seen a good support zone of moving average, volume analysis, prices given a good sharp move, and this is retraces back. Momentum is high. So these are the few levels or indications from the monthly chart. Let's look at the weekly chart. I've just shown you a weekly time frame, and here it is. You can see this is again a neckline for this cup. But importantly, you may realize this is also a one neckline. From this to this is a very huge cup. Okay, and starting from April 2019 to the July 2021, it has given a good breakout. So in couple of months, it has given a good sharp move. Previous neckline is a resistance zone now, which is around this high is important area of resistance 323 level. Importantly, on a weekly time frame, there is a hammer candlestick pattern at the previous breakout, which is a neckline also. And in this rally, there is a huge volume. So that's again a very nice and bullish sign. Let me use the fib level. So it has also given a 50% rejection here. So that is again a very adding a good strength into this support zone. Previous neckline, previous resistance on breakout, CIP, neckline retest. Volumes are very high, and in this 3 to 4 candles, we have seen a decline in the volume. The price is declining, volume is declining. This is your condition 3 of volume metrics. If you are not aware about the volume metrics, you can do subscribe to my recorded training of basic technical analysis, where I have explained in detail about the volume metrics. There are certain 4 conditions. So this is the third condition. RSI is taking support above 60 on a weekly. Again, there is a very huge bullish momentum by looking at the momentum indicator. So moving average slope is again rising. Let's look at the daily time frame. So same neckline previously, now it has given a good breakout over this and given a good move and back to the same level again. And if I can use the Fibonacci retracement again, there is again 50% rejection. So on a weekly as well as on a daily chart, both we have seen a Fibo rejection levels. So Fibo levels are intact. Support is intact in this counter around 220, 200 level. This entire zone, let me mark here. This entire zone is an important support zone. If stocks be giving any dip, it is a good area to enter again. Yes. And on a daily chart, we have seen in this decline volumes are dried. RSI is taking support at 40 zone. So that is again catching momentum on a weekly and monthly. Momentum is bullish. On a daily, it is near to the support level at conjunction level. So by looking at the multiple signals, by like price support, rejection support, CIP, neckline CIP, and RSI momentum. These are the few indications that giving a good way for this stock in next couple of days to week. We may see a good momentum upside in this counter. Now look at the levels. So before that, there is a disclaimer. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. The chart analysis is for educational purpose only. So last closing of this stock is around 235, which is somewhere here. You can buy between 220 to 35 and keeping the stop loss near to the simple. This is the swing low by this swing near 200. If the stock is given closing below the 200, I will exit the position. And what could be the important level of resistance? So here it has given us a minor swing high. So I can expect a 270 is the first level of target one, and another one is around 320 or this high 323. So this is the level 2, the target area number 2, resistance zone 2. So the strategy would be any dip is a good buy between 220 to 35 and keeping the stop loss at 200. Closing below 200 will negate our this entire view in analysis. So that is all about the Jayant Agro. I hope you are now clear with the analysis part. If you haven't seen my previous Stockwatch series videos, go back and check in the playlist area, the Stockwatch series. You will find, if you can watch the multiple videos, you can simply gain the knowledge about the simple tools, technical analysis, how to use simple tools. Okay, so I have given a link in the description for my basic technical analysis training. If you wish to learn more in detail and wish to connect with me directly, so you can absolutely enroll for the basic technical analysis course. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much, guys, and wait for my another video. Goodbye, everyone.